Hopefully you can hear some of the water trickling out of the rocks here behind me. Of course, once I shut up talking. And it's a lot better than any picture I could take. As it runs beneath me into the Red River. Oh, glad I caught the beautiful trash sitting behind me as well. There's the mad beast that brought me to this great location. Just wanted you to get to see some of the view from down here, darling. I'll span around just a little bit more. You know, if I fall on these rocks, you'll never get to see this video. The sun will block some of it out, but I'm going to tilt up where you can see the rock behind the house there that we go and stand on. Hopefully in the midst of the glare you get to see some of that.